Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my video today. Welcome to my YouTube channel today. Today's video, we're going to talk about what books and videos should you be watching or listening to grow your online business. I was just asked this question about 3 days ago, or what type of books should I be reading and what type of positive audio should I be listening to grow my online business. So you want to stay tuned for this video because we're going to have a little fun today. So if this is your first time at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell when I do videos just like this. I do videos every single day and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and it's time to talk about this really good subject that I was asked about 3 days ago about what books should I be reading and what audio should I be watching and listening to. Now, of course, you do want education in terms of reading the right books, listen to the right people in terms of YouTube, while we're on YouTube right now, and to go ahead and grow your mindset and changing your paradigm and really believing that you can grow online business and affiliate marketing, internet marketing, any type of online business in those categories. Now, what books did I read? You know, I'm still reading books, actually. I read books, every day. They always say read a page a day, read a paragraph a day in an area that you need to grow in. And one book that I just finished reading is called The Supreme Influence. Let me go ahead and get it right now. Hold on. So actually, one book I just finished, The Supreme Influence, and it's about changing your life with the power of language you use. I just finished the book. It's a very mindset type book that's really kind of like speaks to you. It really changed the way you think of things and how you react to things. It's basically speaking to you that you have the power inside yourself to achieve anything. The size of a mustard seed, you can move mountains. That was a quote in this book. It's also in the Bible as well, but it talks about how you have to really believe before you achieve something. So The Supreme Influence is a book that I've read, that I just read, that I think can help your business out. Another book is The Compound Effect, obviously by Darren Hardy, and that book is about basically small, reasonable goals, small wins, small steps will equal up to a big success. But you got to be consistent at it. And if you achieve those type of trainings in that book is unbelievable. I would check that out as well. That it really teaches you that you want to think big, but it starts by thinking, the small, reasonable steps to get to that big result. So if you wrote every day in your diary or every day in your journal, like 3 sentences or a paragraph, well, if you did that every single day for like 2 weeks, you would have several pages of information, several pages of value that's compounded over a certain amount of time. The same thing if you made 2 sales a day in your business. Let's say you made 2 sales a day each day for 7 days. Well, 7 times 2 is 14 sales. That's building your business because you're getting 2 sales a day. It's not 5 sales and not 10 sales. It's just 2 sales. 2 sales a day, it equals up to a bigger result. So 14 sales you have in your business for a whole week. So it teaches you how to think that, take those small steps. Because sometimes, a lot of times we were like, you know what, I want the big result today. And it takes time to really get to that big result. A lot of times it takes the small, reasonable steps. So that's another book you can read. And the final book, it's a lot of good books out there. It really is. I'm just talking about the books that I read, but there's a lot of great books out there that you can read in terms of growing your business and necessarily growing your mindset in a positive way. And I have like a little library right here, a little library right down here, and Think and Grow Rich, of course. I'm sure you heard about this book. Think and Grow Rich is definitely a book by Napoleon Hill. Of course, that book. Actually, that should be one of the first books you really should be reading right now. If you haven't read that, you need to start reading that. Check that out as well. So those are 3 books there that I've literally read, that's definitely helped me in terms of my mindset, positive mindset, speaking to me. That's why I'm able to do videos like this, because I'm like, I feel energy, I feel excited. I feel, like there's so much knowledge out there that I want to accomplish and the value I want to give back to you as well. Because I'm telling you, before I even started the YouTube channel, I wasn't reading no books. I'll be honest with you. I wasn't reading no books, to be honest with you. I was only reading things to get by. I was only reading things because maybe my job told me to read it. Or I was reading things because maybe my parents, my mom told me to read it. but I wasn't reading things because of me, because I wanted to get better at something. So these are 3 books I've read. There's a couple other books that we'll discuss, that we'll talk about later on in a couple other videos. But start with those 3 books. Of course, there's a lot more good books out there that definitely can help you. In terms of positive audio, I mean, there's a lot of good people out there. There's Bob Proctor. I listen to Bob Proctor just about every other day. You know, I actually pretty much, a lot of his affirmations, I'm trying to say, a lot of his affirmations are really powerful. The affirmations are really powerful when you're listening to them like that. So Bob Proctor, Les Brown, Tony Robbins, those are a couple of good names right there. Positive audio, we want to listen to their videos. You want to watch their videos and listen to the audio that they're talking about. So that's what all I got here is the books, a couple of books that you can read to help your business grow, help your mindset grow, and a couple of audios that you can listen to and watch. The Bob Proctor, the Tony Robbins, the Les Browns. There's a lot of good ones out there. I'm just naming 3 and 3 today. 3 books and 3 mentors, 3 really influencing, powerful people out there that you can really listen to on a daily basis, because they got great content. I'm telling you, they got great content. So that's all I got today, guys. And don't forget, like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And don't forget as well, if you're struggling in your online business, let's say you read one of these books, like Think and Grow Rich, and you're needing the right system to put you in the right position for you can start your online business. You need a system that can teach you the skill set. You want to click on the link below this video right now. Go ahead and sign up for my unbelievable opportunity that's going to teach you how to grow your online business as soon as humanly possible. Results are not typical, but yes, you can be successful by going ahead and taking action today, signing up today, for you can go ahead and grow your business as soon as humanly possible. And when you go ahead and sign up and go ahead and take advantage of the opportunity you have, you'll get a text message from me and you can go ahead and start your online business. I'll be there with you, man. I'll be there, of course. Of course, I'll be there. But definitely check out some of these books out. And I want you to take action by clicking on the link below. And I'll see you on the next video tomorrow. I can't wait till tomorrow. We're going to talk about something really exciting. I can't tell you. I know. I can't tell you right now. I can't. She won't even let me tell you. My wife over there down here, she won't even let me spill the beans. So you got to watch tomorrow. Tune in tomorrow. We're going to have a lot of fun talking about something else that's going to grow your mindset and grow your business as soon as humanly possible. I'll see you in the next video. Click on that link. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign up, and I'll see you in the video tomorrow. Have a good day.